See you tomorrow.
See you. Bless you.
It's 7:45 a.m. in Peoria, Arizona, suburban Phoenix. Ride along with me, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. Well, there's the price of gas, $4.99, and I can remember all the way back to the 1970s when it was considered expensive, under $1. This is 75th Avenue. We're looking north, going past Columbia Square. What a glorious day. It's been unseasonably warm here in the Phoenix area lately. Getting kind of a preview of what the summer's going to be like, but now it's back to normal. It's hot, but not crazy hot. Not yet. The next stop will be Sweetwater Park. It's springtime, so everything is in bloom. Look at those trees, all that yellow. Kind of hard on people with allergies, but still beautiful. The trike is running great, I'm feeling good, and I'm finishing off the coffee that I got at Jack in the Box. Trike runs on coffee. Well, here we are at Sweetwater Park. I'm waiting for traffic to clear. Unfortunately, I've chosen a bad time to cross because people are dropping their kids off at school. That's the only time it's really busy around here. And it's not that terribly busy anyway. Well, I'm going to stop in here, do a pit stop, put on some more sunscreen, and then hit the road. Thanks for riding along with me. I'll see you next time.